Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying credentials and the app state. This stops wasting time chasing non-issues. First, sign in on a browser and a second device to isolate device-specific problems. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy. Epic can flag those as suspicious and block logins. Next, make sure the Epic Games launcher is updated. Outdated clients fail handshake checks. These steps narrow the problem quickly, so you can move on to network and local file troubleshooting with confidence. Now you tackle network and local cache causes because most stubborn logins hide here. Start by flushing DNS and renewing your IP to clear stale routing, then restart the router. This often fixes token misrouting. After that, clear the Epic Games launcher cache and delete the web cache folders to remove corrupted session data. If login still fails, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus. These tools can block Epic's auth servers. Make sure to re-enable protections or add Epic to allowed app. Finish by covering account level and reinstall options so you close the loop. If needed, perform account recovery. Request a password reset and confirm two-factor authentication device access because locked 2FA is a common blocker. If account checks fail, do a clean reinstall, uninstall the launcher, remove leftover Epic folders and install fresh to eliminate corrupted files. If you're still blocked, gather login timestamps and error codes. Then contact Epic support. A single troubleshooting tip: always test on a different network to rule out ISP-level blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.